Okay, lads. So this project is all about developing a cardboard ventilator, but also trying to build in the skills of BBC microbit. Okay, so this is something that's going to come into play big time next year. So you need to be able to understand how to use a microbit. All right, so this is your design brief. Okay, so the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a shortage of much needed ventilators. Your task is to design a prototype ventilator that could be used by the HSC with patients affected with the COVID-19 virus. All right, so I've put in a little clip here. And this is just explaining the crisis in a bit of detail, but it's also showing you some DIY versions of what could be used. Okay, so these are different designers and engineers around the world that have come up with simple to use and easy to use machines that can help to alleviate the problem of the shortage. Okay, so what is a ventilator? It's a machine that provides breathable air into the lungs of a patient who's physically unable to breathe. You'll need to make a cardboard prototype and design the code of the machine. So this is a bag valve mask. All right, so if you squeeze in and out, being able to provide oxygen to a patient. Now you can't do this as a person because you would not be able to physically do it. So we need to create a simple machine that can push lung in and out. Okay, so you have to try and come up with a cardboard prototype of a simple machine to do this. All right, so this again is another bit more detail about the bag valve mask. Okay, so these are some simple mechanisms that you could use: a cam and follower, a crank and slider, or a rack and pinion. Now, I'm not expecting you to create the grooves in the gear or the teeth. I would like you to try and cut out some shapes and just try figure out how the system is going to work. All right. We will come up with the code later on once you've figured out the cardboard machine. So it has to move in and out in a reciprocating motion at a specific timing. Okay. Best of luck with it.